Yeah, this topic, equivalent equation. If you have any equation, we can obtain equivalent equation by performing same operation both sides, left and right. Seesaw, you know, we said last time. If you do something for left, you have to do the same thing for right. This example, 2x plus 4 equal 20, right? 2x plus 4. Write the heading and write down this example, 20. The x is unknown variable. Then we are going to find the x value. We can add 3 to both sides, then obtain 7. What they are doing here, we add 7, we add another 3, both sides. Say I plus 3, and here plus 3. What will happen? 2x plus 7 plus 23. It's still same because we are adding same number both sides. The new equation will be truly exactly the same value of x, all operation. 2x plus 4 equal 20 equal same 20x plus 7 equal 23. Now what we are doing is other side operation. We are going to take away a minus 4. I clear this. As I add, I will take away minus 4. We put like this arrow, both side. Take for this side, take for this side. 2x plus 4, take away 4. This 4 will be cancelled. Only 2x left. Here 20 minus 4, 16. Then we can divide 2, then we can have x value. What next operation will be? Division by 2. If you do something for that side, you do the same thing for this side. And 2x divided by 2, x. 16 divided by 2, 8. Answer will be x equal 8. This is the steps you have to follow to find the x value. Do you have any question of this? Anything not clear?
So for the 2x plus 4 equals 20, the way you get minus 5.
Minus 4. Yeah, because I want to take this one out. Right? Plus 4, I take minus 4. If it is minus 4, I do plus 4. Like that, right? Did you write that steps? Finish? Can I clear? Can I clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now try example 3x minus 3 equal 9. Then think about here minus 3, what do you do? And after find the x. Can you try yourself looking at this?
It'll be plus 3 and then 3x equals 13.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not yeah, that's right. Yeah, actually it's not dividing. That's okay. plus 3. My example is not really good one.
And then
Minus 3 going to be plus 3 is going to be cut, right? This one to this one cancel. 3x equal 13. Then x will be 13 divided by 3. Next step will be divide by 3. Right? Both sides. Okay. Now I clear that. Okay. Finish. Okay. Now we check the few examples. Next one, 4x minus 8 equal 40. Can you try this example? 4x minus 8 equal 40. Yeah, what's the answer? What it will be the answer?
plus 8 and then 4x equals 40.
48. The
And
next
then
one,
it's divided by 8. X equals
divided by
8.
4. Right?
Oh.
By 4x, not 8. 4. Right? Then become x 48 divided by 4. It's 12.